Hi there! In this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can link your bank account to Kraken. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks a little different. So before starting, you have to make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So first, you will open the Kraken app and sign in. Then you will tap funding on the bottom bar and tap deposit. You will choose your currency, which is either USD, Euro, GBP, or whatsoever. Then you will tap add bank account and then Kraken will ask for your account holder number, bank name, account number, routing name, or IBAN, and then you will enter the details carefully. Tap save bank account. Some banks may require micro deposits or instant verification, so follow any on screen instructions. Then your bank account will now appear under your funding methods. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.